All right. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see if they swarmed enough and we are just having a few bees, or if we have an entire hive still. So take off the top hood. And taking a look on the inside, I see bees moving around. I'm gonna take off the top here. What you got right there is a feeder. I'll move this off to the side. And we'll just set this over here. And let's crack this sucker open. I can already see bees in there, and they seem to be doing, oh yeah, they're doing gangbuster. Yeah, let me see about getting a better shot of this. Again, okay, so we're in the hive. Looking around, we're seeing lots of brood doing a lot of cool, neat things. You see the wax formed over here on the side. I don't think you can see it from there, but that's as close as I'm going to get right there to it. Well, you know what? Hey, look, it moves. You got bees. You got an inside feeder right here that looks to be about a quarter of the way full. We'll leave that and let my wife make up some sugar syrup because she loves doing that. And so we did not have a swarm. We are good to go. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put this top cap back on. And if you look at this, you see where the bees have started putting some wax on the top of that. You need to scrape that off and discourage them from doing that. Now they won't use that wax that I took off there. It'll just get, absorbed into nature. Put that like that. I picked up a set of, or a container of what's called bee fondant. And what it is it's basically a bunch of sugar and vitamins and all the stuff that makes a big bee grow. And I'm going to put it around the entrance here. It's gotten a little warm, making it fun to handle. Just set it all over this. And they'll come up through the top of that. And there's they're just basically up through the top of this. And they'll come in here and they will just go to town on this. It will help them build better frame, better wax on top of everything. So from here, we're going to put this back on. Get it squared up here. Looks good. And last but not least, we'll put the cap back on. And there are all sorts of... I have a bee suit on just because, I love the bees. I love what they do, but they scare the hell out of me sometimes. So we'll put this feeder back in here, full of just plain sugar water. And they are good to go. It is middle of late in the day. Still got a lot of sun. So they're not bothering me. They're going in and they are just bringing in what they can off the pollen that's around here. They'll take the pollen, put it into the frames of the honeycomb, use it as food, as well as the sugar we just put in there. So that's all I got.